Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Trust Wallet points. Trust points are a unique system designed as the foundation of our Quest's loyalty program. By engaging with various activities inside the Trust Wallet application, you can accumulate these valuable points. They are your key to unlocking exclusive rewards and gaining special recognition within the community, significantly enhancing your overall experience with the wallet. Earning Trust points is straightforward and engaging. Simply open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the Discover tab. From there, select the Quest section to find available tasks. You can earn points by checking in daily, creating a new wallet, or performing on-chain actions like staking. Engaging with quizzes and various decentralized applications also contributes to your point balance, making learning about Web3 rewarding. Once you complete Quest tasks, your Trust points become claimable. To collect them, go to the Discover tab, enter the Quest section, and simply tap the Claim All button. It's important to note that while your accumulated points stay active for 1 year, any claimable points must be collected within 90 days before they expire. You can always check your current balance on the main Quest page or the dedicated points tracker. Your Trust points are designed to enhance your experience by offering exclusive benefits. You can redeem these points for various rewards, including special achievements, unique badges, or even new user levels within the app. Remember, Trust points are allocated directly to your wallet and are not tradable or transferable like other digital assets. The platform plans to introduce even more exciting ways to utilize your points with future Web3 product offerings.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.